One iconic dish from the 1970s is Jell-O salad, a vibrant medley of flavors and textures that combined ingredients like mayonnaise, fruits, and even cheese. This dish truly showcases the era's culinary creativity. In addition, Spam casseroles gained popularity as hearty, budget-friendly meals, often featuring cubed Spam mixed with creamy soups and vegetables. They became ideal for feeding large groups and remain surprisingly comforting. Moreover, cheese fondue offered a lively dining experience, inviting friends and family to dip bite-sized treats into melted cheese and chocolate. This dish highlighted the social aspect of shared meals during the decade. Transitioning to gelatin molds, savory fillings became a hallmark of the 1970s cuisine, presenting unique fusion of sweet and savory tastes. These dishes were commonly featured at special occasions and holiday festivities. Additionally, TV dinners emerged, symbolizing a more convenient lifestyle, serving busy families with mystery meat drenched in gravy and accompanied by frozen vegetables. This dish quickly became a staple in American households. Fruit-flavored marshmallow salads added a vibrant and fun element to the table, combining various textures and flavors to yield a refreshing dish. These salads encapsulated the inventive spirit of 70s cuisine. On another note, Tang chicken illustrates 70s culinary innovation, utilizing tang powder to create a sweet and tangy sauce that adds depth to the dish. It's both surprisingly addictive and effortless to prepare. Furthermore, liverwurst sandwiches have seen a revival as comforting fare, appealing to those who cherish nostalgia as well as sustainability. Their affordability and rich taste contribute to their renewed popularity. Prune whipped dessert, once a staple, is now making a resurgence due to its health benefits and distinctive flavor. This nostalgic dish is being eagerly revived in contemporary culinary settings. The preparation of cherry coke salad involved blending cherry gelatin with cherry coke and adding fruits, resulting in a colorful and wobbly treat. This innovative dessert delighted both children and adults alike. In a similar vein, meatloaf and lunch became staples of 1970s American cuisine that gradually faded from popularity, largely due to shifting dietary preferences. This comforting dish was once valued for its affordability and versatility. Carrot and raisin salad, recognized for its crunchy and chewy texture, was a favored side dish at many meals. Like cherry coke salad, it has experienced a decline in popularity due to changing food trends. Cheese and pineapple on toothpicks emerged as a popular appetizer during the 1970s, celebrated for its convenience and delightful flavor combination. This straightforward dish added a touch of sophistication to social events. Canned sardine appetizers provided an inventive approach to enjoying healthy seafood in the 1970s, often served as spreads on crostini or crackers. These options delivered unique and delicious flavor experiences. Olive and cream cheese canapes represented another favorite appetizer, merging salty olives and creamy cheese for an enjoyable taste contrast. These elegant bites were popular at parties and paired well with cocktails. Pigs in a blanket proved to be versatile, allowing for varying ingredients in cheese and toppings. They present a fun and engaging way to savor this classic snack. The fruit cocktail upside-down cake invokes nostalgia by combining canned fruit with cake batter, resulting in a colorful dessert that once adorned many American dining tables. Lastly, chicken a la king exemplifies a rich and creamy dish served over toast, illustrating how simple ingredients can be transformed into an elegant meal that comforts the soul.